Hi, this is Jules Chart from timkiptutorials.com. In our last episode we had just finished the user selection to send the message to, but we came up with this little error here, okay, in line 10. That error is me forgetting to put C into MySQL underscore fetch underscore array. So now when we save that and we go F5, it will now show up the users. Okay, so now we're going to start working on the actual content so you can send the message to the user. So what we do is we first grab trying to see what makes it easier for us to do. Okay, just open up your folder and copy index. So open up index, Control A, Control C, Control N, create a new file, delete, insert. Okay, and then underneath this row here, add in to underscore user ID. Okay, and that's equals $ underscore post to underscore user ID. We'll just double check and we'll save that as pm underscore send underscore to dot php. We'll just open up pm send and I'll just make sure that it's to user ID. Yeah, it is doing it. Okay, cool. Excellent. So now underneath to user ID we add in SQL command equals select ID username from users where ID equals $2 underscore user ID, limit 1. And you put in query equals my SQLi underscore query my connection SQL command or die MySQLi underscore error. While row equals my SQLi underscore fetch underscore associative. No, it's not associative, it's just array. And inside in close brackets put query. Okay, and then you go $2 ID equals $row. Open it and go ID. ID. Close it. Oops. Now close it. $2 user equals row user. MySQL underscore it's MySQLi underscore free underscore results query. I'll just open up the page real quickly just to make sure that it doesn't pm send to.php. I did save that as pmscene2.php. I did too, pmscene2.php. Why didn't they find that then? PM and oh whoops. Wrong folder. Sorry, I was starting on an old tutorial, so and pmscene2.php. So now when we open that, we select the user, we do that, and I'm already getting an error on line 17, so we quickly just check the ID equals 2 underscore user ID. Yeah. Okay, so anyway, moving on. Underneath, we get rid of this code here, and we get rid of that. Okay, put a space underneath. We add a table. Okay. In this table above here we go form method post action pm underscore send underscore 2.php. Close that off, and first we need to copy that line there. We need to paste it. TD width 185. .605. And here, sending to. And then you put input type, input name, sorry, input name equals 2 underscore username, oh Jesus, username, type, text, ID, to username, read only, value is PHP print $2 user name, or to user, sorry. Okay. Right, size 40. I go style border hidden. Alright. See daisy. Right. Grab that line there and you post in. Next one is title. Okay, and then you go name it as title. The type is text. ID is title. Get rid of that read only. And you get rid of that value as well, since it doesn't need a value. And we'll get rid of that border as well. Okay, so we copy that again. And then we add this one here will be message. Okay, so what you do is you type, you put in that there, you get rid of that. You go text area name equals message ID message cols or columns 20 rows 10. You do that. We don't want to do that this time. We'll just go td col span. The noise you would just hear was just another aftershock, so don't worry about it. I'm not. Equals 2. Align center. Okay, so we put in input type submit name submit ID submit value send message to again print to close that off, and now after that we have to add a few more, but these are all going to be hidden. So input type. Actually, what we'll do just to make it insanely easier is we just grab that here. Unless you're willing to type it all in, I would, but I'm on the time restriction. So input name is to user ID, type text title to user ID, value is PHP print to ID. You want to make that text hidden. Okay, take that and we copy it again, and that is now going to be as user ID hidden, user ID being you, and you want to put PID being up here is you. Okay, and then we paste that again, and then you go from username, from username, okay, and you put you go username, alright, and you add another one in, and this is going to be send date, and you go send date, and then we just put in here PHP echo date. You could put date now, but I'm just putting this in because that way then I can customize it the way I want. See L, right, J S F Y, go G I S A. Alright, so that's that part. So in my next tutorial we're going to be putting the code underneath here that will actually allow you to send the message. We've done the structure, we now just have to tell it to actually send it. So this is George Sharp from timkiptutorials.com. Thank you very much.